Hello, my name is Randy Fisher. I'm an attorney here on the Treasure Coast with offices both in Stuart and Port St. Lucie. The reason I'm talking to you now is, it'll say underneath this, can I keep my car? And, that's a real problem. You don't know when you're going into Chapter 7 bankruptcy as to whether or not you can keep your vehicle. You may have heard certain things where, and this is what really drives me nuts, is I've heard that, they will take my car, or I've heard that, I automatically get to keep a car in bankruptcy. Well, what really matters is really the financial status of the vehicle, plus your exemptions and what exemptions you have. So if your car, for example, is worth $20,000 and is encumbered by a $19,000 loan, with the $1,000 exemption that you have, you would be able to keep the car provided you reaffirmed the loan. And I'll go into reaffirmation agreements in another segment. But that would be a way in which you could keep the car. Another example where you would have an issue with your car would be that same $20,000 loan with a $10,000 lien and only $1,000 in automobile exemptions. Now that would be a problem, because in that case you would have $9,000 that would not be covered by the exemptions. So at that point we're going to have to make a decision. How are you going to be able to keep that vehicle? What are you going to be able to do? In the event that you and let's say you were married and you both had $4,000 in wild card exemptions, you and your spouse, and the vehicle was titled in both of your names, you'd be able to apply those exemptions toward that car, and that would cover $8 of the $9,000 that still would not be protected while you're in bankruptcy. So you'd still have $1,000 of unprotected assets. At that point, when you submit your schedules to the trustee, the determination is made by the trustee as to whether or not you're going to have to pay off the equity you still have available in the car, whether he or she, the trustee, will abandon that, or there's going to be a way that you're going to be paying for that difference, that $1,000, to the trustee. So, in sum, these issues are not as cut and dry as you would think they are. So it's most important to talk to a bankruptcy attorney before you make those decisions. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Again, my name is Randy Fisher. My phone number is 772-463-7737. Thank you.